Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel Languaholics. So students, as you all know that we have completed the series of parts of speech in which I have tried to clear your each and every concept related to those topics. But still, if you guys have any query, any confusion or anything left regarding those topics, so here is a video, kind of quiz video for you guys. If you will solve this quiz, hopefully you will be able to understand what are parts of speech. And still you guys have any confusion, any query related to those topics after solving this quiz, kindly let me know in comment section, so I will try to help you out. Let's start. Number 1, we have Sarah lives in London. Here we have to identify noun. Now I'm giving you a small recap of noun, that noun is something, a name of person, place, animal or thing. So if you guys concentrate over here, we have two nouns in the sentence. Number 1 is Sarah, as Sarah is a name, and number 2 is London, as London is a place. And what is noun? Noun is a name of any person, place or animal or thing. So Sarah and London is a noun, are nouns here. Moving forward to number 2. We are using chopsticks to eat noodles. Now here we have to identify that what is pronoun and verb here. Giving you a short recap of pronoun and verb, that verb is something that shows any kind of action in the sentence, whereas pronoun are words that are used instead of noun. That means instead of using a person's name, we can use pronouns. Now here we have a pronoun and a verb. We have a verb using and a pronoun we. Now how they are pronoun and verbs? We is used instead of a person's name. Like how, I don't know how many people are eating noodles with chopsticks, but here as we have word we, that means there are more than two people and we have not used their names. So here we have we as a pronoun. Number 2, using is our verb, that is means any, that is showing any kind of action in the sentence. Number 3, he and Ahmed are doing good in studies. Now here we have to identify noun, pronoun and verb in this sentence, and I have given you already a short recap of each of them. Still you guys have any confusion regarding these topics, you can go on to my channel and search about these topics. Hopefully your concepts will be clear about noun, pronoun and verb. Now this MCQ you have to solve it by yourself, as I have already solved the above two for clearing your concepts. Number 4, I saw a woman along the road. Now here we have to identify that what is along over here. Either it's adverb, adjective, preposition or conjunction. Now giving you a small recap of all of these, that adverb is something that modifies the verb. Adjective is something that shows the quantity or quality of a noun, whereas preposition is something that shows the time, direction or any kind of special relationship in a sentence, whereas conjunctions are the words that joins two or more sentences or phrases. Now here I hope you guys will get the concept that along here is showing the direction, that I saw a woman along the road. So here preposition is along is preposition. Number 5 is she as well as her sister is engaged. Now here we have to identify that what is as well as in the sentence, either it's adverb, adjective, preposition or conjunction. I have described all of these in my previous videos, and still I have tried to clear the concepts of adverb, adjective, preposition and conjunction in this video as well. If you guys have still any question about that, kindly ask me in comment section. I will try to answer it out. Now this MCQ you have to solve it by yourself, as I have cleared the concepts of each and everything. The golden ring is too costly to purchase. Now here the ring is showing the quality of the sentence. I hope you guys will now understand that what's the answer of this MCQ. Number 7, that is I would rather die than beg. Now here again we have to identify that what is then, either it's adverb, adjective, preposition or conjunction. I have cleared all the concepts of these 4 things. So kindly try to solve this and these MCQs by yourself, in which we have the same options. But still, if you guys have any question, anything related to these topics, kindly let me know in comment section. And students, yes, if you guys have any query related to my videos or any other thing related to English, kindly let me know in comment section. I will definitely help you out. Okay, number 8 is the politician is notorious for corruption. Here again we have same option, so I will not answer this. You have to answer it by yourself and let me know that in comment sections. Either you are wrong, or you are right. I will let you know. Number 9 is you will not get your aim in life unless you work hard for it. Again we have there here same options, and we have to identify that what is unless here. Better to be untaught than ill-taught. Here we have to identify what is ill-taught in this sentence. Number 11, she dyed her hair black. Now here we have to identify that what is noun, pronoun, what is dyed. Either it's noun, pronoun, verb or article. I also have given you the concepts of noun, pronoun and verb back in this video. So try to solve it out by yourself. Number 12, justice delayed and justice denied. Oops, my mistake here. I have not underlined the word which you have to identify here. Okay, so here we have to identify denied. So let me know that what is denied. Either it's noun, pronoun, verb or article. Drop it in comment section. Number 13, faint heart never won fair lady. Here again we have the same options. Okay, and number 14 is I bought a beautiful dress at mall. Same options, and I have already cleared these things back in the video. What did she ask you to do? Conjunction, preposition, pronoun. Guys, let me know in comment section each and every answer of the video. Sorry, each and every answer of the quiz. So either you are wrong or right. I will let you know in comment section. Number 16, here I left my shoes under the kitchen. Now here same options, you have to identify what is under. If we finish our work quickly, we can go to the movie. Now here you have to identify that what is quickly, adverb, verb or interjection. Okay students, giving you a quick hint of the sentence that ly is mostly used in adverbs. So I have identified the answer over here, but next you have to do it by yourself. Okay, now 18. What's that? Okay, on Saturdays I work from 9 to 5. Here we have to identify that what is work over here. Number 19 is I want to go to the university in US. I am sure I have met your girlfriend before. Here we have to identify that what is met over here. Number 21. After lunch, let's go out for a coffee. Here we have to identify that what's pronoun, preposition and verb. Sorry, what's after, either it's pronoun, preposition or verb. Now, well, I don't think I'll be home before 6. So here we have to identify that what is well. Interjection, preposition or pronoun. Andy knocked on the door but nobody answered. Now here we have to identify that what is but, either it's conjunction, adjective or adverb. 24. What language do most people speak in Brazil? What is speak over here? Number 25 is my sister is very smart. Verb, adverb or adjective. 26. Julie is my Sorry. July is my favorite month of the year. Here we have to identify that what is favorite over here. Number 27 and the last is he drove his car very slowly down the mountain road. Either it's adjective, adverb or verb. We have to identify that what is slowly over here. Okay students, that's it for today. I hope you will now be able to answer all the MCQs in this video, but still I'm telling you again and again, still you guys have any query, please do not hesitate and ask me in comment section. Next we are going to start the series of tenses from our next videos. So till then, stay blessed, stay tuned, keep spelling. Allah Hafiz.